So basically, this is your new Johnston sweeper. Pretty cool machine. Gonna go through some easy step-by-step procedure, how to work stuff. First off, this is your heat and climate control panel. You turn this on, that cycles your air compressor for the AC. Heat off, of course, and that's your fan speeds. Fresh air or recirculate. You want your heat, shut your compressor off, heat on, and she'll get warm. Now, water tanks are empty. When they are full, you hit your water jet gauge, that kicks on your water pump. Now, you want to start sweeping and traveling, so what you'll do is you'll put it in sweep mode. Then you'll raise your RPMs to what desire you like. You have your left gutter broom, which you kick on by that switch. Now you can also raise and lower the height from this switch next to it. Now, you have to raise and lower the height. We'll lower the RPM so you can hear us. You have to raise and lower the height with the brooms off. Now, if you're doing a job and it's dirty, you can adjust the broom pressure down more, and what that'll do is allow the broom to come down as far as it'll go. Now, when you're driving, of course, you raise your brooms all the way up. You can adjust your broom pressure. This is for your gutter broom lights. Now, this is your center broom. Again, raise or lower. That raises and lowers the center broom. How this system works is the two outside brooms push the garbage to the center broom. Center broom kicks it up into the conveyor belt, into the hopper. Now, one thing we did pass is the hopper. To raise and lower the hopper, it's this switch right here. And the back will raise up, you lower it, and the back comes down. Now, let's say you're outside, you back up to a dumpster. You want to dump. Put it on your rear control here, and that'll allow you to dump from outside. There's two toggle switches on each quarter panel by the brake lights. Okay? Again, from the front, works it in the front. Getting back to our brooms, now you got your right broom. Raise and lower, kick on your switch, and of course, that makes your broom work. Now, this is for your beacon on the roof. High makes it flash faster, low makes it flash slower. Just some other options. Basic horn in the center of the wheel. Tilt wheel, and it is also telescopic. Also, your headlight switches to the left of the cluster panel. Pull it out, in, pretty basic. Wiper switch, wipers work. Okay. Also, this is your parking brake. When that brake is on and you go to put this bad boy in drive, she will not move. So very important. Make sure your test brake's off before you go in to take off. A couple helpful little hints. One, if the hopper is raised, the vehicle will not move. Two, again, if the test brake is on, the vehicle will not move. Three, if the rear door is open, the vehicle will not start. And four, if it is not in park, it will not start. Also, just getting into the transmission reverse, pretty simple. Park, low. You start out in low. Once you get up to about 15 to 20, you kick it into high. Very simple. Again, this is a hydrostatic drive, so when you take your foot off of the gas pedal, it will slow down a little bit. Feel like almost someone's applying the brake. That is normal, as well as you do have a brake with ABS system. Also, there is a battery switch here, down to the left by your left leg. This switch should be in the off position, and again, this way your batteries will never drain. One other thing, if you ever should run out of fuel, this is the fuel primer switch. Put the key in the on position, battery switch on, hit the primer switch, count to 10, try to fire her up. That is, again, only if you were to run out of fuel. This is your hour meter. This is your volt meter. Tells you if it's charging or not. This is your engine water temperature, which is cold, so it's warming up. This is your engine oil pressure, fuel gauge, tachometer, and that's basically it.
All right.
Excuse me, this is the speedometer here, I mixed them up. Speedometer with the miles, hour meter with your tach. And again, if it is in sweep mode like it is right now, it will not accelerate. You put it back to travel, and you see she's accelerating. So again, just some helpful tips to keep in mind when you're out there working this machine. And again, if you have any questions or you need any help, give Joey a call and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Enjoy your machines and make a lot of money. Thank you.